If you're choosing between Buy Me a Coffee, Patreon, and Ko-Fi, this isn't just creator platform versus creator platform. It's simple donations versus memberships versus flexibility. So, is there a clear winner? Let's break it down. Buy Me a Coffee is built around simplicity. You create a page, share a link, and supporters can send one-time tips or recurring memberships with very little setup. It's incredibly easy to start and works well for creators who just want a donation button. But here's the catch. Membership features and community tools are relatively basic compared to Patreon. Patreon takes the opposite approach. It's designed to recurring memberships, exclusive content, community building, and long-term creator businesses. If you're running a podcast, YouTube channel, newsletter, or online community, Patreon gives you the most mature membership system. The downside is fees and complexity. Some creators feel Patreon takes a larger cut and requires more management. Ko-Fi sits in the middle. It supports donations, memberships, commissions, digital products, and shop features all in one platform. Many creators like it because it offers more flexibility than Buy Me a Coffee without feeling as heavy as Patreon. The downside is that its community and discovery features aren't as strong as Patreon's. So the real difference is this. Buy Me a Coffee focuses on simplicity, Patreon focuses on memberships, and Ko-Fi focuses on flexibility. So, is there a clear winner? Choose Buy Me a Coffee if you want simple donations with almost no setup. Choose Patreon if you want a serious membership business and community platform. Choose Ko-Fi if you want donations, memberships, commissions, and digital products in one place. Bottom line, there isn't a single winner for everyone. Patreon is still the strongest platform for building a membership-based creator business. Buy Me a Coffee is the easiest way to collect support, and Ko-Fi is often the most versatile option overall. For most independent creators today, Ko-Fi is arguably the best balance of flexibility, features, and creator-friendly monetization. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.